Hi guys, Tejasvi here, and today's video is going to be about instant food I tried this week. So first I'm going to try Eat Me's Khaman Dokla mix, and the instructions are given behind. It's a 200-gram pack. To begin with, I am going to empty this mix in a bowl and going to add water little by little so that no lumps would be formed. Now it seems like a good Khaman Dokla like texture. Now we have to grease another vessel and pour this Khaman Dokla mix in it. Now I'm going to steam this Khaman Dokla in a cooker without whistle. Just make sure that the water in the cooker should not touch the Khaman Dokla vessel. So till our Khaman Dokla is getting ready, let's prepare the Khaman Dokla tadka. So for that, I have took a pan and adding some oil to it, then the mustard seeds, then some chopped coriander, green chili and curry leaves. Then going to add 2 cups of water. Then going to add some sugar and some salt. We have to mix this all well and bring it to boil. Our Khaman Dokla seems to be ready as I am inserting knife in it and it's coming out all clean. So let's cut it in cubes. Wow, this Khaman Dokla seems so fluffy and no matter how hard I squeeze it, but still it's holding its shape. Now let's pour this tadka on Khaman Dokla and it's ready to eat. And it tasted so damn amazing in itself. I can say it because I have tried so many of Khaman Dokla mixes and none of them made me happy. But this one is definitely like good in one go. So it seems like a easy method to make Khaman Dokla. And this is another container. This also have been all fluffy and nice. Only one mistake I did while making both these commando is this: probably it got like too much of heat from below, so the lower part of it seems like have burned a little and have got all brown. So I should only avoid that. Next I'm going to have YY noodles in the flavor curry delight, and these noodles seems to be like so much of disappointment. They had no flavor at all. So it's totally like waste of money only. Only just that I added Maggi masala in it. It at least added like some flavor to it, but I'm never going to buy it at all. I just made soupy noodles out of it. And adding some tomato for garnish and having it. Next I'm having is white rice roll. It's actually a fryum and I got it from Padel Armat. It tastes like usual fryum only. And to add more flavor to it, I am adding Szechuan fried rice masala to it. Next I'm going to have palak papad. This also I got from Patel Armart. And it have a little spicy taste of itself and a little like palak. Now I'm having is royal mini urad papad, and it have some crushed black pepper in it. The good thing I liked about this papad is that it doesn't stick to the teeth, because most of the urad papad that I have tried, they do stick and this does not, so it definitely a yay from my side. Now we are going to try Ching's Manchow soup. So to begin with, we have to pour the soup mix in a room temperature water so that no lumps would be formed, and after that we have to bring it to boil to a soup like consistency. Till our soup is in the process, we will fry some fryums to go with it. These are triangle fryums. These taste like the usual fryums only. Our soup seems all perfect and the veggies seems to be to a good amount. Now I am going to add some fryums in the soup and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.